Hi class, my name is Jennifer Getz and I am currently a pharmacist. I don't have direct access to clients that I can participate in diagnosing their mental health conditions. However, I do interact with patients daily that are already diagnosed with mental health conditions and work with them on their medications that they have been prescribed. I would say that a majority of my patients are on at least one medication for mental health. Um, a belief that I have in mental health diagnosis is that a lot of doctors are very quick to prescribe medications, and it seems like a lot of primary care physicians will do that and not refer them on to any kind of counseling. So I will see people that are on antidepressants and anti-anxiety medications for years and years, and I don't really see any improvement in them. Um, Another belief that I have is that doctors are very quick to overprescribe medications for patients. It's not uncommon to see people, especially children, that are on 4, 6, even more medications for the same mental health condition. And a lot of times you will start to see patients that are being prescribed medications to try and treat side effects that they are experiencing from those medications. I will have patients that have tremors and uncontrollable tics, and they'll end up having to be put on medications to treat those tremors, and it's the tremors are all a result from the medication that they're currently on. So that has been my experience as a pharmacist in dealing with mental health conditions. Thank you.